Presenting the MC Model 14 Intel 12th generation i5-1235U 36cm laptop. It has preloaded Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity and pre-installed software, MSI Center. It comes with processor, 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U up to 4.4 GHz and Intel Iris Xe graphics. It comes within the box, laptop, power adapter, memory and storage, 8GB x2 DDR4 onboard dual-channel RAM and storage, 512GB NVMe PCIe Gen 3x4 SSD. It has display, 36cm Full HD, 1920x1080, 60Hz 45% NTSC IPS level. It also features 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth V5.2. The delivery box contains laptop, power adapter, and battery. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting the Acer Aspire Lite 12th generation Intel Core i5-1235U thin and light laptop. It comes with 10 cores, 12 threads and graphic Intel Iris Xe graphics. It comes with 12MB Intel Smart Cache, RAM, 8GB DDR4 RAM and storage, 512GB SSD vertical bar operating system, Windows 11 Home. It has visibly stunning, experience sharp details and crisp colors on the 15.6 inches Full HD display and 16:9 aspect ratio. It comes with long battery life. It also features ports, one Type-C, two Type-A USB 2.0 port, and one Type-A USB 3.2 port. The delivery box contains one unit, contains laptop 1N and power cord 1N. Adapter 1N and user manual 1N. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hi there, let's talk about Acer Aspire Lite Thin and Light Laptop today. Presenting HP Laptop 15S. This comes with Windows 11 Home operating system. It offers efficient 10-core 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1235U in superior performance with a processor optimized for efficiency. It has 8GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM, 512GB PCIe NVMe AM2 SSD provides generous storage, facilitating a smoother user experience. It gives dynamic visuals with Intel Iris Xe graphics, perfect for high-definition video playback, casual gaming, and graphic-intensive tasks. Designed with 15.6-inch screen size, FHD Micro Edge display. Revel in the stunning clarity and immersive visuals that elevate your viewing experience. It offers with a 3-cell, 41Wh battery and HP Fast Charge replenishes up to 50% battery in just 45 minutes, keeping you productive longer. Featured with HP True Vision 720p FHD camera with temporal noise reduction and integrated dual-array digital MICS. Its seamless connections with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless card. It also features a variety of ports including USB Type-C, to USB Type-A, and HDMI 1.4b. The box includes laptop, power adapter and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting the Asus VivoBook 15, Intel Core i5 1235U 12th generation, 15.6 inches. It has operating system, preloaded Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity, software included, pre-installed Office Home and Student 2021 and 1-year McAfee antivirus. It comes with 12th generation Intel Core i5 1235U and 1.3 GHz base speed. Up to 4.4 GHz Turbo Max speed, 10 MB cache, 10 cores and graphics, integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. It comes with memory, 8 GB, 4 GB onboard plus 4 GB SODIMM, DDR4 3200 MHz upgradable up to 12 GB within storage, 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD upgradable up to 1 TB SSD. It has display 15.6 inch, 39.62 cm and Full HD 1920 by 1080, 16:9 aspect ratio. Anti-glare display and screen to body ratio 82%. It also features LED backlit. The delivery box contains laptop and adapter and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.